Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm going to do a look using this Rio Edition Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Since the shades of this palette don't have any names, I'm just going to tell you guys what color it is. So here I'm just taking a hot pink shimmery color and I'm placing that on my crease and blending it out. You guys, for this first step, I want to recommend to you guys to use a very fluffy brush, as I am doing here, and that's just going to help you blend out the color very well. So now I'm moving on to the next eye. I'm going to blend it out very well, making sure that both of the eyes look identical to each other, if not similar to each other. Now this is another shade. It's called Chili. This is not the Brazilian palette. This is actually a different palette. So I'm just taking Chili. You guys can take any red color. It's just the fact that this palette didn't have any red colors, so I had to kind of find one. And I'm just taking that to the crease and just blending it out. Always keep in mind that a little goes a long way, because the color red, especially for eyeshadow, it takes a lot of blending to make it look fine or good at least. So make sure you take little by little. You don't want to go all the way out yet, because you want to make sure it looks well blend. So make sure you take a little bit at a time. I hope you guys got my point. Now I'm going to be taking this plum color. Again, I'm using a different palette because the Rio Edition palette does not have this color, and I needed this color to complete this look. So just grab any kind of purple plum looking color and just blend it out in the crease. Make sure you don't apply it higher than the lining of your crease. You don't want to go over that. Doing this will create a very nice fade to your eyes. You want it to look like it's flaring out. This is the whole point of the look, flared out pink eyes. One other thing I failed to mention to you guys is I am also changing my brushes. This is a much thinner brush. It's a blending brush, but it's much thinner than the first one I used. Now I'm using a concealer and a concealer brush to cut out my crease and making sure that I cut it out all the way this time. I want to make it look like it's a whole nother level of color. You don't want any of that excess pink to come into your lid. Going back to the Rio Edition palette, I'm taking this really white shimmery color and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. Guys, I realized that this color needs a lot of layering, so I'm just taking some more of that white shimmery color and I'm just patting it on, making sure that it is shimmery enough for me. If you guys don't like shimmery eyeshadow, you don't have to do this part, but I love shimmery eyeshadow, so I'm just going to keep layering it. After you have done that, you can just sweep over whatever excess you have on your brush and put it on your whole lid, making sure you don't put too much on the ends because we are going to add another color there. Now I'm taking this lighter pink shimmery eyeshadow again, and I'm going to place that onto the end of my lid. Then I'm taking this peachy salmon shimmery color and I'm going to put that onto my brow bone, making sure I don't put too much because you don't want it to look very, very shimmery. You want it to look a hint of shimmery, not too much. This is optional, but I'm going to be lining my eyes, my waterline. And you don't have to do this part. I know a lot of people don't like eyeliner, but I do. So for this step, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to apply some mascara. Also, don't forget to apply mascara on your bottom lashes, because I feel like this looks way better and it makes your eyes look way more dramatic, and it goes with the eyeshadow look, so why not? Now that you've done that, you're all done. Here are the final results. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below, and please do subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and as always, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.